In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. This 5-minute tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you're all set to receive notifications whenever someone submits a form on your website. Let's start by heading over to Webflow's official website. This platform is a powerful, visual website builder that makes creating and managing websites straightforward. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already registered, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you have an account, click on the Login button located at the top right corner. Once logged in, you should be navigated to the Webflow dashboard. This is where all your projects are listed, and you'll be able to access and manage them from here. Now, find the project you want to set email notifications for and click on it. This will bring you to the project editor where you can make the necessary changes. The next task is to add elements to your project, and for our purpose, we are specifically interested in adding forms. So, on the left-hand side of your project editor, you'll see a menu. Click on the Add Elements option. From here, a panel will open up with various options you can add, but focus on locating and selecting the Forms option. This is where you'll set up the form, which will trigger email notifications when submitted. After placing your form on the page, it's important to save and publish your changes. On the top of the editor, you'll notice the Publish button. Click on it to bring up the Publish window. Here, you will need to select which domains you want to publish your changes to. Generally, this will include your custom domain, as well as the Webflow staging subdomain, which is often used for testing. After selecting the domains, click on Publish to Selected Domains. This ensures that your form and the settings you've configured are live on your site. That's it. You're done. By following these steps, you've successfully set up email notifications for your form submissions in Webflow. Now, anytime someone fills out and submits a form on your site, you'll receive an email notification with all the details they provided. This feature is essential for staying on top of communications, and it can help you manage your interactions with your audience efficiently. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you found the process as seamless as Webflow aims it to be. Be sure to explore Webflow's other features for even more customization and functionality for your site. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.